Illegally detained senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabbir Shah, has thanked the government and particularly the people of Pakistan for expressing complete solidarity with the struggling people of the occupied Kashmir. Shabbir Shah, in his message from infamous Tihar jail, extended his heartfelt gratitude to the government and the people of Pakistan for their wholehearted support to Kashmiris' ongoing struggle for right to self-determination. Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK and Europe jointly held rallies, conferences and digital campaigns in Oslo, London, Barcelona, Glasgow, Birmingham and other cities of the UK and Europe to highlight the ongoing genocide in the occupied Kashmir. Kashmir Council Europe organized an event of candlelight vigil in Brussels, the capital of Belgium, in order to express solidarity with the oppressed people of the occupied Kashmir on Solidarity Day. Kashmir is under unprecedented censorship and facing Israeli-style settler colonialism since New Delhi unilaterally and illegally revoked its special status in August 2019. This was stated by the Legal Forum for Kashmir in a statement issued in Islamabad. The demolition drive has picked its pace in 20 districts of Jammu and Kashmir, where revenue officials, police and bulldozers remain active, affecting the livelihood of Kashmiris, the report said. People's Democratic Party has said that the anti-encroachment drive is another attempt to seize locals' land and affect massive changes in the demography of the territory. While expressing condolences over the death of former President of Pakistan, Pervez Musharraf, PDP President Mehbooba Mufti in a tweet said that the Musharraf wanted a solution to the Kashmir dispute according to the wishes of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Indian police booked several people, including landlords and hoteliers in Riyasi district, on the charge of not providing details of the tenants. 4 each cases were registered at the Katra and Riyasi police stations. 9 persons were arrested by the police in Jammu for holding protests against the authorities' so-called anti-encroachment drive. The persons were arrested after they, along with others, held protests against the demolition of a vehicle showroom in Jammu district. Dead body of a Muslim man was found in Samba district of the Jammu region. Jammu-based politician and former minister Harsh Dev Singh was detained while holding a protest outside the Governor House in Jammu against the forcible eviction of poor and small farmers, mostly Muslims, from their marginal land holdings.